Hello you guys. So today we are doing a different video. I need to focus on my health. I've been so wrapped up in creating content and videos for you guys that I have been slowly putting on weight, and it's not so noticeable, but I can feel it in myself. So I'm going to do like a vlog style. I'm gonna show you guys like my before weight, my after weight. This is me on a normal day. I use contacts for my videos. My eyes are really bad, you guys. So on a good day, I'm just like this in my glasses, hair down, my Tombow hoodie. Kawaii represents. What I'm gonna do right now is I'm not gonna be like naked, guys. Come on, let's get real. I'm just gonna try and like wear the bare minimum, and I'm gonna step on the scale. I'm gonna show you guys where I'm starting at. Yesterday in the morning I did take a short clip on my phone, kind of a before weight of where I was starting off at, and I guess I'll insert that now. And like I said, I took that yesterday. I wish there was a way to put in the date here, but today is the 13th, I believe. So yeah, yesterday I forgot what my weight was, but I literally, all I drank all day was black coffee, green tea. I think I did fairly well yesterday. So anyway, we'll see. I'm gonna take off all my sweatshirt and everything, and I'm gonna show you guys on my little scale where I'm starting at. Alright you guys, so yes, that is how much I weigh, sadly. When I moved out here like about 4 months ago, I moved out here and I was 163. So I gained well over 10 pounds, okay? I believe in that other clip that I took yesterday, I was at 176. So to be 174 right now after one day, hey, I'm not mad at it. It's probably water weight anyway, but whatever, I'll take it. So I'm pretty much right now, I didn't eat breakfast yet. I did drink some water, so hopefully that factors into my weight. But I'm gonna go ahead and make me some breakfast. I'll take you guys with me. I usually just make like some egg whites with spinach and some coffee, but I have a sweet tooth this morning, so what I'm gonna try to do is make like French toast, but like a healthier style. So we'll see how that comes out. I'm gonna get all of my things ready and let's just do this. This is my first time vlogging, so bear with me. Hopefully it comes out good. And yeah guys, I just used this yesterday to make French toast, so you know, I know we all got our lazy days, okay? I'm not gonna wash it. So I'm just gonna take a container like this, and I'm gonna put, instead of regular eggs, I'm just gonna use egg whites. We'll see how this goes. It's supposed to be healthier. And then in place of milk, I'm going to take my unsweetened almond milk. I love unsweetened almond milk. This is the vanilla one. I don't know, does it help putting in flavor? Probably not. Now we're gonna take our good old cinnamon, and we're just gonna be generous. Cinnamon's good for you, right? I mean, they put it in all that weight loss stuff. So I'm gonna turn that on. And then today I'm going to be using my whole wheat bread. And yes, if you notice, everything is great value in this house. I really don't care if something is generic or not. If it's gonna save me money, honey, if it's gonna save me money, I'm there for it. I'm gonna be good. I mean, being good, I should only have one slice, but I'm gonna have two, guys. I'm gonna have two. Don't scold me. Hopefully this mixture works, because I never did make it like this. And as long as it tastes decent, I won't be mad. So let's go ahead and do it like some French toast, honey. Hunty. Ooh, the cinnamon is grabbing onto this bread, y'all. I probably used way too much milk and egg whites just for 2 slices, but that okay. So we'll let those babies cook up, okay? I broke it. Oh my gosh, guys, I'm just making a huge mess of this one. That one is destroyed. This one is still being good to me. I swear I can cook. I swear. Yikes. Oh my gosh. Bruh. We'll see how it tastes, guys. We'll see. Now, of course, I got my great value plate, girl. I had to break out that fine china, honey. And then I'm gonna, you know, throw in some strawberries, because why not? Then in place of my syrup, of course, I'm going to use my organic golden light agave, 100% blue agave, and I'm just gonna put like a light drizzle of that over that. Okay, guys, so this is what my food looks like. I'm gonna go and make me a cup of coffee. I'm gonna sit down and we can eat this together. And I'll let you know how it tastes. You know, once you put the agave on it, it's really not that bad. It's not that bad. And then I got my coffee, of course, and my little owl mug. Strawberries are my favorite, guys. So I've been thinking a lot about this whole weight loss journey thing. And you know, before I moved out here, my husband, he went away to Virginia for 3 months for training. And so it was just me and my kids, and I was working full time. I was trying to deal with the movers and packing up my house. And at the same time, I was trying to focus on my health and watch what I ate. And I ended up losing a good 30 pounds, 40 pounds while he was away on training. I used to be really big, you guys, like really big. Imagine me, short little Casey. Well, not short, but I'm like almost 5'5", at 225 pounds. If I can find a picture, I believe I have a picture like with my husband at a Michael Jackson concert. If I can find that picture, I'll go ahead and insert it right here. But you guys would be shocked at like how different I look. And just looking back at that picture, as well as like pictures of when I was really skinny, I'll try to insert some here as well. Pictures of when I was really skinny and healthy. I don't know, just the way I'm feeling right now, I'm not feeling the best about myself. I can't just go straight into working out. It's really hard for me to get motivated. So for me, my baby steps is I will start eating better, take healthier options, you know, and once I see the weight start coming off just by watching what I eat, because it does help me a lot. At one point, I lost about 20 pounds just watching what I ate, just counting calories and watching what I ate and making healthier choices. So just doing that alone, it does work, but obviously exercise helps. I feel like I did this before, and I feel like I just need to keep myself accountable, because if you go back into my videos over a year ago, almost 2 years ago, I did a video about, you know, where have I been and my weight loss. I was wearing like a red shirt that said Aloha Friday on it. If you go back to that video, you'll see the difference from then until now. And I look at that video and it still brings me to tears, because you know, I just see how bothered I was at the time, and how depressed I was with my weight, and I don't want to go back to that. I do plan to go, guys, I need to eat, okay? Guys, this is not bad. I probably should have like calculated it, the calories, you know. I use MyFitnessPal to track my calories, because you know, if I'm bad and I have to eat something that has a barcode on it, I can just scan it, you know.
I decided that I need to get back into my health, so I made some healthy French toast.
My camera overheated, so I was like, okay, let me just put it on my story real quick, so people know what's coming to them, you know. This is so weird to me. I've never vlogged before. Would this be a vlog? I'm considering it a vlog, like a healthy lifestyle kind of vlog. This way I can keep myself accountable and take you guys with me on my journey to a healthier lifestyle. I was really thinking about that, and I kind of like that idea of you know, sharing this journey with you guys and bringing you guys with me, so I can keep myself accountable, and that way you guys can see, you know, yeah, she really worked hard for it. This is what she looked like before, this is what she looks like now. A lot of people are like, oh, you know, you have to love yourself first, but it's easier said than done. Especially if you have a lot of little flaws that you know, you yourself, you see yourself every day, and you're going to nitpick those flaws. And you know, you may think it's the most disgusting thing in the world, but then there's going to be somebody that loves you so much and they can see past it. But there's still going to be that thought in your mind, like, how can they think that I am the most beautiful girl in the world when this is wrong with me and this is wrong with me, and I have this and I have that, but I don't have this. And you know, you're comparing yourself to others, and that was my struggle, comparing myself to others, to other women who had these perfect bodies on social media. And I was like, you know, in real life, that's just not it. You know, not everybody's gonna have the perfect body, and I need to stop striving for it. I just need to strive for the perfect me. So if you guys are interested in that, go ahead, give this video a thumbs up for, you know, the realness, and comment down below, comment some ideas that you feel like you would want me to do. I do plan to come back every 2 to 3 weeks, show you guys an update on the scale of where I'm at, let you guys know how I'm feeling and how my body is feeling. And yeah, just want to take you guys on this journey with me. Thank you guys so much for being here with me, and you know, spending the morning with me, cooking breakfast. And I really hope that you guys enjoyed this style of video. I'm not used to it, so let me know, give me your feedback. I would really like to know if you guys like this. But yeah, you guys, I hope you guys are having a wonderful day or night wherever you are. And thank you guys so much for being here. If you aren't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Join my little ohana that I have here. We are loads of fun. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Aloha!